Eberhardt Food Press Systems, high-quality food processing. Eberhardt Food Press Systems for the food processing of your high-quality products. Experience the application of a diverse variety of molds used in our press systems. Shapes and sizes of the molds are designed according to your requirements and local preferences. These customized molds are ideal for shaping bacon, ham, fish, cheese, cooked meat, raw meat, sausages, or any other food of your choice. Our patented press systems are easy to operate. By using different sizes of molds, the space and gaps in the press system can be exploited most efficiently. We will provide you with a press system of either 3 or 4 compartments. The number of compartments varies according to the width of the product. Depending on the size of your slicer, we supply you with press systems for products of different length, 600 mm, 800 mm, or 960 mm. 2 different types of molds are applicable in our press systems: open shaping grids made of stainless steel, as well as closed molds made of steel sheet. Here you will see the specific shaping grids. In these you can finish your products in just one passage. First, cover the interior of the molds with our smoke-penetratable paper, which is specifically designed for that purpose. The pre-treated meat of a defined weight is placed into the mold. This enables you to produce slices of equal weight. The product is tightly wrapped in paper. The lid is put onto the mold. For the pressing procedure, please leave some space between the mold and its lid. After refilling and covering with lids, the molds are successively placed into the press system. Then the meat in the molds is being compressed by using a cross handle or a torque spanner. To reach uniformly shaped products, a pressure of up to 40 tons is to apply. By compressing the products, the heat can penetrate into the meat quickly. This leads to a reduction of the cooking time and to an equal shaping. Now the press system is ready to be pushed into the cooking chamber. The products are prepared for undergoing the 4 phases of the production process. To monitor the core temperature monitoring, each mold is equipped with a little punched hole for inserting the sensor. Depending on the desired product, the 4 processing phases are drying, smoking, cooking. You just select the individual cooking program. After removing the press system from the cooking chamber, the spindles are retightened to keep the pressure equally and to prevent the products from extending. The cooling phase is completed. Equalized and evenly shaped products are the result of a highly professional production process. The press system is opened and the molds are removed. This specific production process implies several economical advantages. It reduces cooking time, it reduces cutting loss, it reduces energy consumption, and it reduces labor costs. The finished products look both homemade and appetizing. Two characteristics which are highly appreciated by consumers. And next, we are going to present you our different types of closed molds made of stainless steel. These types of molds are used for products which remain unsmoked or which are smoked after completing the cooking process. They can be supplied in 2 different versions, either with separating plates for processing single pieces of meat or without separating plates for processing meat appropriate for slicing. Before filling, the molds are lined with wrapping film. Apart from that procedure, the molds can also be filled with products covered in sterile casing. The pre-treated meat of a defined weight is placed into the mold. This enables you to produce slices of equal weight. The product is wrapped tightly in film. The lid is put into the mold. For the pressing procedure, please leave some space between the mold and its lid. After refilling and covering with lids, the molds are successively placed into the press system. Then the meat in the molds is being compressed by using a cross handle or a torque spanner. To reach uniformal shaped products, a pressure of up to 40 tons is to apply. Due to the high pressure, the heat quickly penetrates the product. This leads to a reduction of the cooking time. Now the press system is ready for being moved into the cooking chamber. To monitor the core temperature monitoring, each mold is equipped with a little punched hole for inserting the sensor. After removing from the cooking chamber, the press system is put into the cooling room. Now the finished products can be unloaded from the press system. If desired, these pieces are prepared for further processing phases. That specific production process also implies several economical advantages. It reduces cooking time, it reduces cutting loss, it reduces energy consumption, and it reduces labor costs. Would you like to refine these products? Just choose the desired method. The cooked pieces are suitable for being smoked, baked, or deep fried. No matter if you prefer the natural or the refined finish of the products, discover the multiple use of our molds for creating your excellent assortment. In our production plant, we manufacture more than 300 standard press systems. Apart from that, we design and produce tailor-made molds and products to suit your individual tastes and meet your specific requirements. Convince your customers you are able to create a large variety of attractive shapes. Food products are expected to look good and, as we all know, be a pleasure for the eyes.